Update 1 on Cyclone Fakir, which is moving southeast towards the Mascarene Islands this evening, April 23rd. It's got winds of 45 miles an hour, that's around 65 kilometers per hour, 70, and a pressure of 993 millibars. It's at 16.6 south, 53 degrees east, and a Class 1 warning is in effect for Mauritius. The storm is mainly going to pass through the islands on Tuesday. By the looks of things right now, it would appear that the storm may well make a landfall on Réunion Island, possibly to the western side, but we don't really know exactly, although it's pretty certain that Réunion is going to get the worst conditions from the storm. Later on, the remnants of Fakir could move on towards Rodrigues Island and could give some breezy conditions, but this is going to be significant for tropical storm force winds, which probably won't be too strong, although will still be of issue, and there could possibly be rain issues as well, of course, as the storm continues on towards the southeast. Class 1 warnings, it's a stage 1 right now on the CDPS scale. That's because of its forward motion, which is quite fast right now, and as it continues on towards the southeast, conditions, the storm could intensify. How much, we don't quite know yet. As you can see, the rain moving through there on Tuesday particularly, and then onto the other islands on Wednesday into Thursday as well, a band of rain moving through there. But of course we could see some flooding conditions, particularly concerned for Réunion for this storm as well, because significant rainfall could fall there with some strong winds which could gust towards or even exceeding hurricane force. But that is the long-term outlook there over the next 5 days or so. Sea surface temperatures in the Mauritius neighbourhood are pretty warm, not as warm as we were seeing earlier in the season of course, but still 27 and 28 Celsius generally, which is very warm indeed. Wind shear is marginal right now, and that will probably get worse as the storm moves towards the southeast, so anything that does happen will be short-lived, and as I say, not stating too much, the storm's speed through the islands towards the southeast is already getting going, as you can see on the satellite imagery here, a 12-hour loop, and if you extrapolate this imagery, the storm's almost at the islands if you put forward another 12 hours on this. So tomorrow morning you'll be seeing the storm's effects certainly in the area, if not already. As you can see, there's a lot to the south of this right now in terms of cloud coverage and possible rainfall. And it's going to move through there during the daylight hours, we expect, of Tuesday, and will probably be leaving by Tuesday evening and hopefully all gone by Wednesday. That's all for now. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com at your service. You can also find our YouTube page. Subscribe if you haven't already, search Force 13. You can also follow us on Facebook, like our page, search Force 13 all in text, and it's the same on Twitter, our handle. Follow us on there as well for the latest. You can also find Force 13 on Skype, and my personal account on Discord, search Fool13 at extension 9094 for tropical weather chat, and visit our partners for the latest updates, Meteo et Cyclone Maurice on Facebook.